Are you all ready, children? Three of you?
Yes.
Okay, Ansaraj gave the name, but he is not there. So maybe he don't want to participate. Okay, children. So the first, so as we have decided that you will be talking about the contribution of these moderates and the extremists. So Muskan Shah has chosen to talk on Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Megha Shah will speak on Dadabhai Naroji. Sital Gupta will speak on Surendranath Banerjee. Okay, about their contributions. So all the best to three of you. So speak whatever you have studied about the contribution of the topic which you have chosen. Okay. So all of you, three of you, turn off your camera. Only the first speaker will keep the camera on. Okay. Megasa will keep the camera on. Rest of you turn off your camera. When your turn comes, at that time you turn on your camera. Okay. Yes, Mega, you can start your speech about the contribution of the topic which you have chosen. That is Bal, sorry, Dada Bhai Naroji. Yes,
The
microphone.
start.
Yes.
Dadabhai Naoroji, popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India, played a pioneering role in the Indian national movement. He was born on September 4, 1825, to a Parsi family of Mumbai. He studied in Elphinstone College and later taught mathematics there, Mumbai, for 10 years. He then went to England to create awareness among the British about the difficult condition faced by the Indians and win their sympathy. During his stay in England, he made friends with well-known Englishmen like Gladstone, Bright, and Bridelaw. In 1866, he started the East India Association to foster closer ties between the British and the Indians. It also upheld the equality of Asians and Europeans. The East India Association set up its branches in Calcutta, Mumbai, Madras. In 1892, he became the first Indian to have won a seat in the British House of Commons. He promoted the cause of India and in South Africa. As a result of his efforts, the British government passed a resolution in 1903 to hold the Indian civil service examination simultaneously in England and India. Unfortunately, the resolution did not become an act. Dadabhai Naoroji was one of the founding members of the Indian National Congress. He presided over the Congress session in 1893, 1906. As a moderate leader and due to his long association with the British, he held the view that Western education, telegraph, and railway were the positive effects of British rule in India. And but he criticized at the British economic political exploitation of the country. The great contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji was his criticism and policies of the British. Through his drain theory, he exposed the economic exploitation of India by the British and the ruination of Indian textile and handicrafts industries. In his famous work, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, he showed how the British drained Indian wealth by the following means: pension to retired British officers and profit of British trading agencies. Dadabhai edited Rast Gaftar and Manavar Dharma Marg Darshak. Dadabhai Naoroji died in 1917 at the age of 92. He is remembered in the history as the great statesman and economic thinker and for his devotion to serve the people. Thank you, sir.
Very good. So it seems that you have kept the book in front of you, huh?
La, no, sir. Sir, you can
Okay, okay,
see.
it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just don't react. Okay, very good. Very, very good. Okay, so next second speaker will is Sital Gupta. She'll be speaking on Surendranath Banerjee. Yes, Sital, turn on your camera and speak about his contributions. Yes, go on.
Surendranath Banerjee was one of the moderate leaders. He was born on 1848. He was well known for his oratory skills. He was also known as the father of the revolutionary movement. He joined the Indian National Congress. He was the professor of English. He also started schools. He joined the Free Church College in Calcutta. In 1869, he became the first person to pass the Indian Civil Service examination. He was also appointed as an assistant magistrate. But in 1873 he was dismissed from civil services. As being a moderate leader and nationalist leader, he did a lot of contribution for the people and for the country. Like, he believed in the principle of opposition where necessary but cooperation where possible. He protested against the Vernacular Act, Arms Act, etc. He also founded the Indian National Association in 1876, and he protested against lowering down the age limit of ICS exam, that is Indian Civil Service examination, from the age 21 year to 19 year in 1877. And he founded the Indian National Conference in 1883, but it was merged with Indian National Congress because their motives were same, that is to serve people. He did a lot of he wrote a lot of books, and the most important among them was A Nation in the Making. He also supported the Swadeshi and the boycott movement. He spread the idea of Swadeshi and boycott towards the country and the certain place of the India. He was the love and devotion which he had for the country and the people made him remembered in the history. And he died on 6th August 1948.
Very good,
Thank you.
very good, very good. Okay, now next is Muskan. She'll be talking on Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Muskan, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go on.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak was also known as Lokmanya. He was born in 1856 in Maharashtra and died in August 1920. He holds a unique position among the great nationalist leaders. He is also considered a real founder of militant anti-imperialistic movement in India. He believed that education plays a key role in social development of the nation. As a lawyer and through his two journals, the Marathi in English and the Kesari in Marathi, he taught the people to become bold, courageous, and self-reliant fighters of freedom. His three great works were the Arthik Home in Vedas, the Oral, and Gita Rahasya. He organized akharas and lathi clubs in Maharashtra to instill courage in the youths to fight against the British. In 1990,
Yes, yes.
the partition of Bengal in 1905 gave Tilak an opportunity. Gave Tilak an opportunity to launch a country-wide aggression against the British. He made this into an anti-partition movement and developed the program of Swadeshi and boycott. In 1896, he said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it.
Very good, very good. Well done, well done. Okay, at least out of this many students, at least you at least tried to speak. That's a good thing I see from you all. Okay, so this was the topics: Bal Gangadhar, Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Sundarbai. So these are the topics. So these three have already spoken about their contribution. So now the rest of the students sitting in the class, so they will be asked. Okay, so I have chosen few names from here. So yes, talk about Lala Lajpat Rai.
Sir, can I say Bipin Chandra Pal?
Okay.
So Bipin Chandra Pal was born. So Bipin Chandra Pal was a radical leader who was born in 1858, and then sir he joined the Indian National Congress in 1886, and then like he left the Indian National Congress in 1907 when in the Surat split, when Indian National Congress split into two groups, the moderates and the leaders. Some of the main contributions of Bipin Chandra Pal are as follows. Number one was that sir, he wanted large scale industrialization in the country. Number two was that sir, he wanted that the rich people should be taxed a lot so that the money can be used for welfare. And then number three was that sir, he wanted reduction in this one. He wanted increase in workers' salary.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I told them, I think 1 week ago to prepare, but you people did not show interest. So only 3 students came forward and they decided to speak on these great nationalist leaders about their contribution. Very good. Well done, dear students. So please don't forget about their contributions. They had done tremendous contribution to free our nation. It is not that only Mahatma Gandhi was the one who contributed a lot for the India's independence. So they were the one who provided a platform for the nationalists to later on continue with the national movement. Okay, so thank you very much, children, for taking part in this small speech competition. Okay, so this type of competition we'll do again in future. So please, I request everyone to come forward and take part in this type of competitions. Okay, children.